So guys, let's start video about collect animal toys. We will collect toys in this truck. Oh wow, this is so nice. So look at this. Beautiful. Nice. Input this and let's go collect other animals. Oh wow, this is elephant. So nice color. This is gray color. So nice, beautiful. Wow. And put this. Wow, this is sheep. Wow, beautiful red and white. Shoo. Wow, this is giraffe. Beautiful. And let's go. So nice. Oh wow, wow, so nice. Wow, this is so nice kangaroo. Yellow and green, beautiful. And put in this and take this. So nice. Wow. Beautiful. Wow. And this is also elephant, black color, beautiful, and green eyes. Look at this. Wow, beautiful red rabbit. So cute, beautiful. Wow, nice, beautiful. Very nice. Wow, this is bear. So nice, beautiful, good looking. And this is giraffe. Very beautiful. So nice. This is horse. Very nice. And this is lion. Wow. Very nice. This is goat. Wow. And this is elephant. So guys, look at this beautiful truck and pick up our toys, elephant and other. This is so cute. Wow, this is hip hop. Oh, so nice. Wow, beautiful. This is leopard. So dangerous. and cute. Wow, this is line. Same color this truck and this line. So nice. Look at this. Beautiful. So nice. This is Camel. Wow. So guys, I hope you like this video and please subscribe our channel. So thank you. Goodbye. Take care.